देखिए दोनों both are now separate. Spring and magnets are free. Actually, at a certain temperature, iron is not behaving like a magnetic material, so magnet is separated. This temperature point is known as Curie point. When you keep your hand away from the switch, then this spring cools down, and then magnet will be touch the spring,
and they call it as
Curie point.
What you see is identify a magnet. They have shown different kinds of magnets and how they react and what kind of patterns they form.
This one is disc magnet, this one is horseshoe magnet, this one is bar magnet, and this one is ring magnet. So here you see 4 type of magnets. Now in this you find iron fillings. When you keep the iron filling on the magnet and tap it, then you will find a magnetic shape like this, which is similar to this photograph. When you keep this iron filling on a horseshoe magnet, then you will find a magnetic field like this, which is similar to this picture. And when you keep this iron filling on this bar magnet, then you will find a magnetic field which is similar to this picture. And when you keep the iron filling on a ring magnet, then you will find this type of magnetic field. The name of this exhibit is rising bubble. When you press the handle from this point, then you will find bubbles are coming from the bottom to the top, and the size of the bubble increases with the height. Here you see the exhibit impossible mixture. Here you find there are 3 types of liquids and its density are also different. So they are floating on different layers. When you mix this liquid by this type of rotation, but after some time when you stop this movement, then you will find the liquid on different layers. They are separated. Liquid contains more density, sits on bottom, and less density floats on different layers, but they are not mixing. Here I am touching the pin screen from the bottom and I feel very soft. When we touch one alpine, then it penetrates my hand, but due to so many pins, I am feeling very soft here.
So the pressure is getting distributed equally, so you don't feel the pain.
एक पिन एक बिंदु पे दबाव लगाता है, ढेर सारा पिन है तो प्रेशर इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग, इसलिए हम लोग को ये गड़ नहीं रहा। तो जादूगर लोग जो दिखाते हैं लेट करके पिन के स्क्रीन पे या कांटी ढेर सारा गाड़ के, हम लोग भी लेटेंगे वहाँ कुछ नहीं हुआ।
So you would have seen like magicians who are lying down on a bed of nail. So what happens is the pressure gets distributed just like this, so they don't feel the pain. If it is a single pin, you get to see the pain, but if there are plenty of nails, the pressure is getting distributed, so you won't get the pain. Now what you see is energy ball. They are fixed up certain timings for this particular thing. They give a demonstration in this regard, and you find the timings here. So if anyone is planning to visit this place, please ensure that you are available at this particular time. Practically every 1 hour they are showing this, Let us see like how it functions.
Name of this exhibit is mechanical hologram. Here you see a light is fitting on the top, which is falling on these lines, and these line makes a cuboid shape. From the distance, from a distance you will see there is a cuboid on the surface. Here you see that big grand shutter. When you push the switch, then you will find a bobbin is moving from one direction to another direction. Here you see the exhibit floating ball. A ball is floating in this moving air. Actually, it shows Bernoulli's principle. When velocity increase, pressure will be decreased. So ball is moving at the lowest pressure position. So air from all direction comes to this ball. So ball is floating here.
Now what you say is rising arc.
Yeah. When we push the switch, then you will find there is an arc which is coming from the bottom to the top, and after a distance it breaks. Actually there is 25,000 volt is created at the bottom, so air becomes conductor and sparking goes start. After some distance it breaks. You are seeing a exhibit. That's title is light visible? Actually we on the switch, but we are not able to see the light from this hole. When you keep your hand in this hole, then you will see the light here. Yes,
Now you can see the light.
yes.
So the light, when it strikes only, you will be in a position to see that light is there. Unless it strikes as something, you won't know that light is there.